Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Dodge Ram key fob battery. First, take a moment to identify your specific key fob model, as designs can vary slightly. Next, gather the few simple tools you will need, typically just a small flathead screwdriver. Finally, ensure you have the correct replacement battery on hand. Many Dodge Ram key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or indentation along the edge of your key fob casing. Gently insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a slight twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery from its holder. Now, take your new battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive and negative sides are aligned exactly as the old battery was. This is crucial for proper function. Once the new battery is in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all edges match up. Press the halves together firmly until you hear them click securely into place. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to confirm that the new battery is working correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.